Hey, what's up guys? So I am actually just finished uploading a video and I wanted to save the video and figure out a title for the video, and that's something that it's really hard to do when you're first starting out making YouTube videos. Like, what do I name this video, and what's going to really help me? So I've been suggesting using TubeBuddy for a little while now, and I wanted to show you how I go about actually finding a video title for my YouTube video. So like coming out of your head is going to be hard to do, right? So what you want to do is you want to go to your YouTube and then click on your TubeBuddy, and then you want to make sure that you go to Keyword Explorer. Before we go into that, I want to make sure that you guys know, you can let me know in the comments below anything that you want to talk about. I'll talk about it right now. So just let me know in the comments below and I will make a video to help you out about that. So the video that I just made was about how to actually put tags into your video. So I just made a video about that, but I wanted to give it a good title, like what title would help it do well on YouTube. So I typed in YouTube tags because YouTube tags is what the video is about, right? So YouTube tags to get views is one of the first things that pops up. So I click on YouTube tags to get views, and it says that that title is fair. It doesn't work well. Well, what's good is that it actually suggests different titles and topics and things for you. So you have this area right here where you can see what people are searching for. People are searching for, the video searches are YouTube tags to get views in 2020. Here are some video topics. How to use YouTube tags to get more views. It's another topic, right? So we can basically use one of these topics. So let's say how to use YouTube tags to get more views. That says fair. Now let's go back to, sometimes you want to get this to excellent. You want to get this to really good, right? So let's go back to YouTube tags. Let's go back to that so we can get to that last menu that we have. So this says it's poor, and let's do YouTube tags to get views, fair, and let's do YouTube tags to get views 2020. Now that says very good. Now that's where I'm gonna stop there. You want to get this to excellent. You can add other things to it. You can add, you can look at these words that are down here, and you want to take some of these keywords and actually put it into your title, right? How to YouTube tags. Let's just change it to how to add YouTube tags to get views. So that's very good. Let's see what that is. Weighted is basically how well it does with your particular channel. So let's delete that. And this can be a process. You're gonna go through this a few times. That's fair. You can go through this a few times. I'm gonna go with just the unweighted score, and I'm going to make a video just YouTube tags to get views in 2020. It would be very helpful to just go through this and really try to keep plugging away with that edit and just figuring out how to get this weighted score to be a little bit better. Like I said, the way you do that is you go through here and you try to find more options for you. So let's see, you know what, let's just see if we can do it. So how YouTube tags get views. How to add YouTube tags to get views. YouTube tags to get views 2020. Let's see. Let's go to YouTube tags again. Let's look at some video topics here. How to add tags to your YouTube video. That is poor. And the reason why it's poor is because the competition is too much. There's too much competition out there. And you may not, with your YouTube channel size, you may not be able to get it to something that is going to be good. You might just have to go with the unweighted score. So play around with this. Maybe let's see if let's try going to. All right, so that's good. So that's the weighted score. So it's gotten a little bit better on YouTube mobile. Let's add step by step to your YouTube. Let's add step by step. That's fair. How to add tags to your YouTube video. Very good. There we go. We got it. So we added a couple of keywords to here, and now we're at a very good score. So we're going to name it How to Add Tags to Your YouTube Videos Step by Step. Copy that, and that is what we're going to name our new title. So it takes a little while sometimes. It may take longer than you may expect, but sooner or later your page is going to start to weigh and to look better in these areas. But you just have to find a niche in an area where you can add and combine a couple of different titles and a couple of different keywords into your title that's going to help it rank and do better. So that was supposed to be a quicker video, but I just wanted to show you exactly how to do it instead of just like throwing it to you and then like hoping that you get it done. So it's going to take a little while, but make sure that you are using these type of tools to help you find tags, titles for your videos. Now the tags below here are going to be what I use. You can see how to use that and how to add that to your YouTube videos in my last video, which was about tags. I'll see you guys in the next video. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions.